Have you ever felt stuck in a loop of unhelpful thoughts or maybe habits? Maybe you find yourself reacting in ways you wish you could kind of change, but you aren't really sure how to do so. Imagine if you could instantly, I'm saying, transform those unwanted patterns into empowering responses. What would that mean for your life? So that's what we're here to talk about in today's Mindful Monday. It's called the Swish technique. It's an NLP pattern. So if it's your first time joining, feel free to type in the comments where you're coming from, any questions, comments, any topics you'd like to hear in the future. Also, if you type the word mindful after the broadcast, I'll come back and put in a link, which if you follow, you'll receive a couple of free gifts. One is a recording of a hypnotic audio I did on releasing limiting beliefs. And then the second is our weekly PDF cheat sheet, which is bullet points of what we do each week. So going back to the NLP Swish pattern. So what is it? It's a classic NLP technique that's designed to quickly break patterns of unwanted behaviors or thoughts. And it's kind of like a mental rewiring process, replacing a limiting kind of response with a positive, resourceful one. Now, this tool can be used for overcoming habits, fears, procrastination, and even negative self talk. So the swish pattern is an incredibly versatile tool, and it makes it a go-to NLP technique for a wide range of challenges. So some of the most impactful uses would be number one, eliminating unwanted habits or behaviors. Maybe it's breaking habits like nail biting or smoking or overeating by interrupting the mental triggers that lead to them. It can create new healthier habits that will align with your goals. So getting the conscious and subconscious on board. Number two, it can reduce anxiety and fear responses. It can shift automatic fear responses such as fear of public speaking, social anxiety into more of a calm confidence, if you will. It can dissolve phobias. It can reduce stress by changing how your mind associates triggers. Number three, it can build confidence and self empowerment, replacing self doubt and limiting beliefs with unbreakable confidence. It can use your inner mind to help you to visualize yourself handling challenges with poise and with strength. Number four, overcoming procrastination and lack of motivation. So it can help you to transform the feeling of overwhelm into a feeling of focused kind of motivation, if you will. It can condition you, you can help you to condition yourself to feel excited and driven when it's time to work on those important tasks. Five, you can manage negative self talk and the inner critic with the swish pattern by interrupting cycles of negative thinking and replacing them with empowering and supportive inner dialogue. You can build a resilient, solution focused mind with this technique. Let's see. So, the beauty of the swish pattern is its speed, basically. The results can often happen instantaneously, immediately. And with repetition, the change becomes automatic. It's kind of like installing a new mental program that helps you respond in a more empowered way. So, if you're not driving or, doing anything that requires your focused attention, you're welcome to kind of do the process along as I kind of go through the process. So, if you want to do the process, if not, you can always come back. It's a pretty quick process and it's not a deep state to let you know. But if you would like to do it, you can close your eyes now. If not, you can come back and watch the video later. So, kind of just close your eyes down. We're going to identify the trigger image. So, with your eyes closed, think of the situation or the behavior that you do want to change, whatever's bothering you. Notice the image in your mind. Notice if it's clear or if it's blurry, if it's in color or if it's in black and white. Now, notice what the emotions are associated. Is there frustration, fear, anxiety, whatever it is for you? Now, this is what we call your trigger image. It's the mental picture that sets off the unwanted behavior. So notice how vivid this image is and make it even clearer now. Observe any sounds, any movements, any sensations tied to this image. You might even ask yourself what thoughts or beliefs are connected to this trigger, noticing how it limits you. Good. Now, the second step is we're going to create the desired self-image in the mind. So create a picture of yourself as you'd like to be. Maybe it's confident, empowered, in control, whatever it is for you. But creating that image in your mind. Maybe you're visualizing yourself handling the situation with confidence and poise. You can see your body language, see the shape of your body, relaxed and strong, maybe in better shape, breathing deeply and calmly. Now, as you're doing so, notice the colors or sounds that are in this positive picture. Notice any emotions you're feeling. What does this success feel like in your body? Make it vivid and compelling in your mind. And now intensify the image by hearing any supportive inner dialogue and feeling the physical sensations of confidence and success, whatever it is for you. Maybe it's better shape, healthy, whatever it is for you. Now imagine yourself in this most resourceful state. Strong posture, focused eyes, calm, powerful presence. Good. Now we're going to position the images. So I like to imagine, with my eyes closed, of course, that there's this computer screen kind of in front of me. And now on this computer screen, we're going to place that trigger image, the negative image, very clearly in the center of it, making it large and detailed. Now in the corner, and I don't care if it's off to your left or off to your right, top or bottom, we're going to place in a very small, kind of distant corner, the dim version of your desired positive self-image. Taking a moment to do that. Now imagine this small image down there or up there in the corner, radiating potential, eager to expand and take over. Notice how the trigger image feels like it's disempowering, and the desired self-image feels empowering. Just getting a sense of that now. And now, whoosh, it's like that computer screen, that little tiny dim image comes full force over the whole entire screen, blocking out any old negative images. It's one quick, powerful motion. Imagine that desired self-image rapidly expanding, growing bigger and brighter until it completely covers that old trigger image. You might even hear a sound like that swish. That's what we call it, swish. You might see a bright flash of light or feel a rush of confidence in your body. And just let that old trigger image shrink and fade away into the distance, becoming small and dull and powerless. As you feel this surge of confidence and control and positivity in your body. And notice the energy shift, the sense of calm, the sense of positivity, the sense of what you do want. Make the process even more vivid by amplifying the sensations of what you do want. Maybe you're feeling your heartbeat stronger, you're feeling more connected, you're feeling your breath deepen or your mind clear up. Good. Now open up your eyes and shake that all off. This is what we call a break state. So you might, at home, get up, stretch, take a deep breath. This is really important, though. You don't want to skip this. And so the rest of the process is basically to go back and repeat the first. So you would close your eyes down again. We don't have time to keep doing it, but you repeat it about 5 to 7 times, and it actually rewires the neurons, the neural pathways in your brain, so that that old image or belief or behavior, whatever it is, just becomes dimmer and dimmer. It's really fascinating and very powerful. Let's see. You do want to practice this regularly until the response feels automatic and natural for you. That's kind of important. Some of the common mistakes that some folks make when they're starting out is that you want to make sure that your trigger image is very vivid. So you want to take as much time as you need to get into that negativity because you're showing your mind what you want to change. So if it's unclear, the technique is kind of going to lose its impact. So take your time there. Your desired self-image also must be really inspiring, so you have to really know what you do want there as well. If it doesn't motivate you, just tweak it until it does. You want to avoid rushing, practice slowly and deliberately at first until you master the technique. And again, make sure you don't skip that break state. It's crucial for resetting the mental process to kind of let go in between. So the NLP Swish pattern is a game changer, though, let me tell you. With consistent practice, it becomes an automatic response, helping you to overcome challenges and step into your most empowered self. So give it a try and witness the transformation firsthand, and let me know how it goes. Thanks for joining me, and have a great Mindful Monday.